In this video, we will understand the coordinate formula for centroid of a triangle. Consider point A with coordinate x1, y1, point B with coordinate x2, y2, and point C with coordinate x3, y3, acting as vertices of triangle ABC. As centroid is the meeting point of any two medians in a given triangle, so draw medians from vertices A and B meeting at point G, which acts as centroid. Now consider median AM. Let the coordinates of the centroid G be x and y. As median divides the line segment in two equal parts, therefore the coordinates of point M is calculated by using the midpoint formula in the line segment BC. Also, centroid divides the median in the ratio 2:1. So by using the section formula, the abscissa of centroid G equals twice of the sum of x2 plus x3 divided by 2 plus 1 into x1 whole divided by 2 plus 1. While the ordinate equals twice the sum of y2 plus y3 divided by 2 plus 1 into y1 whole divided by 2 plus 1. On simplifying, we get x equals x2 plus x3 plus x1 upon 3, while y equals y2 plus y3 plus y1 upon 3. As addition is commutative, therefore the coordinate of centroid can be written as x equals x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3 and y equals y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. So this was it for the video. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching.